Hello and welcome to another web hosting tutorial. Creating responsive websites allow your texts and pictures to display perfectly on different devices like mobile screens and tablets. Each element will fluidly adapt to every screen size. This video will show you how to create a responsive website with the Easy Site Builder. First off, select your activated site builder plan and open the website builder. After navigating to the Easy Site Builder, you see 4 different icons of devices at the top. If Auto Layout is activated, first turn it off by clicking on the wand icon. These are the functions to change the layout. White, for example, is for huge desktop sizes like iMac. The desktop icon is made for computer formats. Click on it to see a preview of your website with the right layout. To activate this layout, click on the Off button on the right side under the toolbar so it can change automatically. You can do the same procedure for the tablet and the phone. Pay attention to the lines that show the right format of the device. This is how it will look on the display. After you activated all of these functions, you'll have a responsive website. This is better than building separate websites or buying expensive apps and spending too much money on it. Write once, and it runs everywhere. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.